Hello everyone, what's up once again, welcome back to new video. I welcome you all in the new video exactly, and that's exactly gonna be about like how to make your vocabulary strong, and also more importantly, what is the best way to overview your vocabulary. Like, is it really reaching to that level, something that you had expected for your vocabulary? Are you really getting that level or not? Okay, so like an authentic level, like how to judge your vocabulary. Is your vocabulary really so strong or not, something like that? This is something that we are going to discuss here in this video. So here in this video we are going to discuss about that particular way or that particular measurement that will decide the strength of your vocabulary, of your personal vocabulary exactly. Is your vocabulary really so strong or not, something like that? Hope you might be understanding, guys, what's actually. Now you might be thinking like, what is the best measurement available to judge your vocabulary? Is there really also any such measurement available like this or not? This question might also be arising in your mind exactly. And here I want to tell you guys, like, yes, of course there is definitely available such a measurement, and that is only the Hindu newspaper. Yes, of course, the Hindu newspaper, exactly, you heard it right. And now you'll be thinking like, why only the Hindu newspaper? There are also so many newspapers available in the market exactly like this, and then why only the Hindu newspaper? Why only this kind of? Okay, so and here the only thing behind this, and that's why I do prefer only the Hindu, where a lot of different types of newspaper also available in the market, but why only the Hindu? And the reason behind this is like the Hindu is a kind of newspaper which is printed having new and different words daily, and also using simple and general vocabulary. Okay, so remembering and recalling your old vocabulary, you also keep learning new things and different words also. Okay, so here your both outlooks are getting satisfied by learning new words daily and also keeping your old vocabulary strong forever. Hope you all guys might be understanding what I actually want to tell you properly. Okay, so here if I talk about something like if you are reading a paragraph of the Hindu, you generally find new words like maximum around 4 to 5 words generally. And the another good thing that you find there, and that's all about like repetition. Yes, exactly, repetition of the same new words continuously for next weeks. Okay, or more than this also. And so that's also another good plus point that the Hindu contains exactly. That's why I do prefer the Hindu reading. Okay, otherwise there are also so many newspapers, India Today and something like that, so many newspapers, Indian Express, so many newspapers are available in the market, but that's the exact newspaper that will decide you on the strength of your vocabulary. Are you really reaching to that level, or you just finding 3 to 4 words daily, or you are just getting trapped, or something like getting in the buzz exactly, like having each and every type of word to be writing in your notebook that you don't know the meaning for that, something like that. So you can easily understand all the things exactly, like to be knowing all the things exactly about the strength of your vocabulary.